Hello, I am making this video to explain how to make a template in the Google Slides. So first we will open a blank presentation, then we will rename the presentation. I will rename it as just test because I am just testing the things. Now we can see that this is our title slide. Okay, so will make some more slides with different layouts. So the second slide is our title and body slide. The third, we will change the layout, and the third layout, let's choose it as a section title and description. No, yeah, okay, just take it and let's use only this one. So we will choose the first slide and we will go to the slide option and click on edit theme. Now there are two options. First is theme, second is layouts. Okay, so the theme is our master slide. Master slide is a slide where if we will make some changes, then those changes will happen to all the slides. Next is the layouts. These are called master layouts. In master layouts, we have different layouts. The layouts we selected in these slides, and those layouts are here. So we can change the design or anything in these layouts. Then that change will happen in all the slides with the same layout. So if you make a new slide on the same layout, the design will be shown from these layouts, from these master layouts. So let's make a change, some change in the master slide first of all, and then first let's change the color background. I will just change the color. You can choose gradient from this option or choose an image for a background. Okay, done. Then let's add something. Let's add a logo or something. You can add anything in the master slide that will become the same in all the layouts. Now you can see in all the layouts we have a logo, except for this one because this is a completely different thing. Like a whole image, there is a one white image that overshadows everything, so we can't see the logo here, but except all the layouts have the logo. Now let's see first, this is the title layout, which is this one. We will see that it is also selected here because it shows that we have chosen the layout that's here. Okay, so let's change something in this layout, which will show, like if I add the logo at top left corner, then you can see the title slide has two logos now at the top. Okay, and now if you make more title slides then using this theme, or we can say using this template, then they will all look like this. And other on the text or something, you can change however you wish. You can take this above, you can change the font, but you can't write here because writing shall be done here. Okay, now let's change the title and body. See, this one is selected. Let's for the test purpose, let's just add these logos. So now I added the two logos in diagonal. This logo, I can't select this logo because this came from the master slide, but I can select this logo here because this logo we just pasted in the layouts. Now this third one slide, let's make some changes here too. We can see that this thing, if I changes this here, so you can see that this is just a white screen that is overshadowing the yellow thing. That's why we weren't able to see the logo, because the logo was on the yellow screen. Okay, and now let's place this thing back. Yeah, done. Now if I paste a logo on this screen, on this white screen, now I can have it here. Okay, so let's have one more logo for a different at a different place than the others. Let's keep it at here. Okay, now we can see that we have different logos. Now the template is completed. We can see that if I make a new new slide using Ctrl+M, so the above slide, the most recent slide, is made using that command. Now I think if we want to have a body and title, we can change the layout. we can have a title and body. We can have a title and body here, and when the layer because the theme was changed, so these are also changed. So we can see that they have changed places, and we can't click on these photos because they are theme. The theme is made. Okay, and they are made through master slides and master layouts. That's why we can't change the images background. We can change the background, but we can't change the images and designs that have been made on them. So that's how a template is made. Now let's test how someone can make a copy of it and use it. So we can share it using anyone with the link, set it as viewer and copy link. Now I have copied the link. Let's open it on another account. uh, Paste that link, and here we got the template. So the template will be same as we have selected in the master slides and anything else. Now we can go to file, make a copy of the entire presentation, and now this is the copy of test. Okay, so we can remove speaker notes, but we haven't added any, so there is no need. So I will make a copy. Now this thing and this presentation is copied to my drive. Now from my drive I can download it, edit it, or do anything I want.